Aberdeen, welcome to All Together Sing. This is your first time, right?
Yes, sir.
Welcome. It's good to have you here. You guys did well. All right, there's a couple things you need to be aware of when the keyboard is playing one thing, but you're singing slightly different things. You need to make sure that they're kind of aligned. Okay?
Yes.
All right, good.
It's a very good effort, and most of the harmony was maintained, except for when the guys came in with Gloria. The first one was a little off, but you corrected yourself. So, good job.
Aberdeen from St. Elizabeth. Welcome to All Together Sing. It seemed to me like you guys were a little nervous.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I know you will get better as the show progresses.